everyone. I'm going to go over super quick what you need to do when you are in charge of the totals of the money, and then I will also explain what the form is doing later on. So if you just want to know the bare bones, you should just have to watch the first couple seconds of the video. So when you sign into the form, it's going to look like this. Please go down here to the bottom. Let's say I'm showing the money, I'm overseeing the money on the 9th. Your job after the students count the money using the little counters is to input the totals here by how much currency there is. So for example, if there are 200 pennies, I'm just going to write 2. It'll come up as $2, not 200 pennies. Same thing with dimes or nickels. If there's only one nickel, it's 0.05, not 1, right? It's not how many coins there are, it's how much money is raised. So as you get everything filled in, it'll automatically go to the total screen. Your job, please, is to take these totals, they'll automatically be calculated, and put them on this link. That is the link right here that automatically is displayed in the comments. That's it. Please input the dollar amounts, and then please input the daily totals onto the slide. That's it. Okay, for anyone who's interested, what's going to happen is the form is automatically going to subtract the silver coins from the penny and dollar total. So if the 6th grade brings in 200 pennies and another student puts a nickel in their bin, they actually have 195 because that 5 cents is a silver coin and it's subtracted from the overall total. Let's say there were $10 in quarters. It's going to continue going down, and then if somebody brings in $20 in $10 bills, it balances it out. So negative for silver, positive for dollars and checks and pennies. That's what this total is in red. So on the total screen, it's going to fluctuate from day to day depending on how many silver coins are put in the bucket, but the school total will always go up. It is the sum of all the money all the way across. It doesn't care what's silver, what's penny, what's dollar bills. It just counts the entire total for our school, and that will always be going up. So back on the total screen, it also counts the online donations as positives. You'll notice that there will be really good days and then there might be really bad days. So this number could potentially go down. It could be way lower than what they had the first day. If you notice something is wrong, please fix it or let me know or someone else know and we'll get it fixed. But in general, the form should take care of all the addition, subtraction, and keeping our totals running. Thank you for volunteering your time to help us with the fundraiser. Bye, everyone.